My cousin bought a house to save on rent. So he's always in the rough room. Even now the house has no door. When I go home, I will use the simplest method. Renovate the bedroom for him. It's not just about budget control, it also has to be environmentally friendly, and maybe the ground is a little bit horrible. But it's not a big deal. Clean the ground first. Then prepare water and mortar 11 shoots. Mix well by hand mixer. Haha, look at me. And then we're going to use this to smooth the surface. Overall thickness about 3 millimeters. Let it dry for about 48 hours. Besides, where are these two sockets? The location is not reasonable. Need to redraw the line for installation. I'll change it to the side of the headboard for 2. 1 watering, 1 cutting. Can avoid dust. After cutting, then use electric hammer to chisel all raw. The head of the bed leaves a place above and below. Then wire cage and wire tube. Put it in the slot of the wire just cut. Then use 11 shoots to fill and level it. Just wait to dry. Next, I'm looking to buy some used wood floors. Can this be used on the ground? I decided to renovate it. Use it to make a headboard wall. First, cut all the wood floors in 2. Prepare a type of different thickness. Cut them into different lengths. Next, cut a few more bars as a frame. Use a laser level meter to fix the frame of the background wall. Then put some wood panels on top of the frame. Close to the ceiling. And then you can put the wood that's just been cut. Use a nail gun fixed on the frame. It doesn't need to be used, but it's sure. Very eco-friendly, so took all afternoon. I finally finished the whole wall. Next, let's take the sole and choose the cutting light. Cut to the right length for the wall. Tear back glue raw, can paste directly into the back groove of the background wall. Connect low voltage power from the bottom. After lighting, there's a high sense of seeing the light. Can be used as auxiliary light for bedroom. Yellow light will also make the bedroom become. Next we need to solve. Dust falling on the wall. Prepare transparent adhesive, evenly brush the wall to times. This can prevent dust from falling. And then prepare our coating. Do the whole roll twice. This way, after drying, can form a hard and transparent protective layer, can be waterproof and anti-dirty. So there's no need to lay the floor. Dirty floor cleaning is also no problem. It's okay to go barefoot. Lighting system in the bedroom. I'm going to change it to a headlight design. The head and end of the bed have 1 rail each. Then use steel tube to install the main light, leading to the tracks. For the light on the tracks, there are all kinds of hanging lights placed on the headboard. Reinstall spotlights for such background wall. Where it's not lit, turn on the lights. It's pretty. And the lighting effect is also very stylish. Installation or repair is quite simple. Next is furniture 7. So they can get in quickly. I gave him a set of 7 wooden furniture. The first is this closet. Combined door section making line. Push and pull the door open very easily. It feels high, open and close without noise. It doesn't take up space. Next to the closet, I installed a wood germ light switch. Improve the quality of space. Even the socket next to it changed to wood. Next, assemble a walnut wood bed. It's not all wood. You can put it away underneath. Special real leather headrest pillow. Soft and comfortable feeling. This combination is great. You are also polished. Very smooth feeling. It is also very suitable for wooden walls. In addition, I used an electric hammer to hit a hole in the wall next to it, through this expansion bolt, to wooden hanging bedside cabinets. After turning on the light below, it is easy to have a toilet light. For backlight wall light, can add a module to the remote control module, can turn on and off the remote control light. It's like a normal switch. You can paste it anywhere you want. Next we need to solve the privacy issue. Give your cousin a curtain. Choose curtains of the same color to match the overall. Instead of bed soft gob blanket set, put a small rug by the bed. Add a little bit of small ornament to add the gourd. This whole 7-piece of furniture. And the walls are all wood, adding to the effect of the lighting system. Feels so warm. There's also a gap next to the curtain. Fit a chair. Solid wood frame and some gray seat cushions. Lips are also quite comfortable and relaxing. Combined with greenery and floor lamps are also very beautiful. The bedroom is missing a hanging door, a temporary curtain in advance. This time the bedroom renovation is completed. In this way of renovation, the remaining rooms can also be renovated. It's not just about saving money. You can also remove all the decorations. Not necessary. Avoid excessive decoration using the most primitive materials. It's simple and economical, especially with 7 solid wood furniture. It's very environmentally friendly. After the renovation, you can enter. I'll be here today before I see you next time.